Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Week ended on the 16th, October 16th, yesterday. So let's get started. Week started on the 12th October, and here are a couple of trades on the 12th. Pound Aussie, 20 minute. Here's the setup, and there's the trade for 75 pip long. Using my Magic IB system, on the left you can see my buy order, and SL is moved to break even plus. This is the entry here, and the setup is the yellow line is above the black, indicators all the way down, then you have a reversal candle and a couple of blue candles, and we open the trade and put the SL right here. When the price moves up a little bit more, we sit on the break even and wait for the target to hit. So this is how the system works. And this is the one of the trade on the 12th, and this is the second one, pound Nuzi. You can see the same thing here. Buy order here. SL break, move to break even plus, indicate all the way down, and went all the way to 85 pip. And here is the pound Nuzi coming down. So this is the one that you just saw, the going up, right? And after that, then see, it all depends on the news, which way the pair is going to go every single day. Every single day you have a economic calendar schedule. The news are scheduled, right, for pound, euro, all of these currencies, Aussie, right? So right after the news, the move starts. One day the news could be good, the other day the news could be bad. If pound news is scheduled on Monday and it comes out good, pound is going to get strong and all pound pair will be going up. So you find the long entry and then go up. The next day, see that there's the white dotted line? This is where the next day started. So the next day, the news came out bad here, and then poof, the pound started dropping. Gave me a short setup. Here's another short setup. And this is how you take according to the, you watch the news and then you watch the pair. It's going according to the news. You find your entry, indicators all the way up. Yellow line is below the black. And you have blue candle turning into red. Open the trade, put the SL right there, and when the price moves away from the entry, we come and sit on the break even and wait for the target to hit. 94.16 was the target. 1.618 of this 1, 2, wave 3, all the way to the downside for 175 pip. This is how it is. On the 13th, again, it's similar, same thing here, right? So the price was going up, but then because of the news, Aussie start getting weaker, right? And we were anticipating that. We have a weekly chart showing that the Aussie is going to drop, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will go up, and Aussie CAD, Aussie Yen, Aussie USD, they will be coming down because the Aussie is on the left-hand side. So it went down here, 70 pip on the 13th. Here's pound Aussie. Like I said, the Aussie was getting weaker, so Aussie here is on the right hand side, so this pair will go up. So you can see here, nice and clean, but this is no entry. This is a short entry actually, right? But the news was bad. Aussie was getting weaker, so there's no way that you could go short. So based on the news, the Aussie is supposed to get weaker. This pair is supposed to go up, but the pair didn't give me any entry until come in here. This was an entry as well, right? So you take the entry, the price goes up a little bit, you come and sit on like a 5 pip risk. The price comes and take you out and then goes up again. That's how it is. And then you take the second entry and then go with it. 75 pip here on the 14th. And here on the 14th, this is the entry from 7 minutes. The Euro Aussie didn't give no entry on the 20, but I watched both pairs after the news. Basically, these are my favorite pairs, like Pound Yen, Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie. These are Pound Nuzi, Pound CAD. These are my favorite pairs because they move big. These are big movers. All pound pairs are very, very big movers, except Euro Pound. I don't trade that. But all pound pairs are very good. And this one, Euro Aussie, big mover. So if you watch both entries, both charts, like 20 minute and 7 minute, then you can find entry in one of the chart very easily, right? The difference between them is like one is like you can say a regular candle, 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart. So 15-minute chart, if it doesn't give you, but at least the 5-minute chart moves fast and wobble a lot. So you will see more entries on 5-minute chart. So that's the idea. So 7-minute chart entry, beautiful here. See, the yellow is above the black, indicates all the way down, higher low, and red candle coming into the wave, coming out with blue candle. I open the trade here and put my SL here. When the price moves away from the entry, come and sit on a break even and then watch the trade going in your way and towards your target. So this is on the 14th. Here again on the 15th now, you can see a buy order here, pound Aussie again after dropping. Then pound start getting strong. You saw that already. So with the news, Brexit news came out that that they might have a deal, and boom, pound start getting strong. All this way, it didn't give me no entry, but here we have an entry, pound Aussie 20-minute chart. Not a big trade, but something, right? So 65 pip here. And on the 15th, again, pound Aussie, same thing. But this is the entry from 7-minute chart, right? This was an entry here, but this is the one that I took, and that's from here to here, 90 pip, right? Beautiful trade by the book. And then the last but not the least is the pound USD here, all the way going all the way up, and then boom, here start dropping because the USD start getting strong, and USD on the right hand side. So all the USD pair started to come down. Not all, but these are four of these pairs will come down and 3 will go up. You know that. Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and NZD USD. Right, when USD gets strong, these 4 pair will be coming down, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen will be going up. So this is one of them. Beautiful entry here, and all the way to the downside here for 100 pip. So these are a few trades. Not a very very good week, but still a lot more, better, right? And then sometimes it is really really bad, but it is not that bad. I have had the week with like 20, 22, 23 trades, and these are only 9 or 10 trades. So anyway, but the good times are coming. The volume is increasing slowly, and we'll have some really really good. Um, Actually, the slow time is about to come. It's around the corner now. It's in November and into December. Going into December, the volume will be getting thinner and thinner, and January it will come back again. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So this is it for now, and these are futures, that I just showed you. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it. You want to learn. You want to get this system. You want to learn how to trade like this with the system, and get the system. Go on my website, myforexmagicwave.com, and subscribe and start trading like this, right? So this is today is Saturday. I'm going to send out this video out there, and you have Saturday, Sunday. Subscribe, prepare your charts, and start trading from Monday. And if you are in need of learning this business from the scratch, and want to be a master of it, then I have one-on-one course, which I teach every single thing from A to Z about Forex over the Skype or some other means, but live on the screen, on one-on-one, and you can be talking to me and watching my screen, and I'll be helping setting up the charts and teaching you almost every single thing: trend lines, channels, how to draw this, that, Fibonacci tool, SNR levels, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, everything from A to Z. All right, so it's a 10-hour course. Each session is 1 hour over the month, and you will become a master of this business, and you can do it. COVID-19 is out there, and more and more people are turning towards online business, and this is one of the greatest business online. You can make money, but this is also the most dangerous business. Okay, I'm not scaring you, but I'm telling you the truth. If you learn and do it properly, very lucrative business. but if you don't learn and do it wrongly, very dangerous business. So you must learn what to do, okay, how to do it, how to trade this forex, and then you can really enjoy. All right. So this is it for now. If you really want to, like I said, to get involved, then go on my website right here, myforexmagicweb.com. This is how it is, right? This is my, all of these charts have my, website address. So just go on the website and subscribe and get the system and start from Monday. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.